In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Service Instances Unavailable Error 9007 in Roblox. So often this error comes when the service and the servers of Roblox are down. So you can check by typing "is Roblox down?" and you'll get websites like these, and they will tell you that if Roblox is down, you will see like spikes here. So if you do see spikes, if you do see like status where it says Roblox is down instead of operational, then you know that it's just a global outage and you just have to wait until it gets fixed. Now if it's not and it's an issue with your internet, then you can go to CMD and then right click run as administrator, and here you can write the following command. So this will restart your internet. So netsh winsock reset and press enter, and then in ipconfig flush DNS, and after this should restart your internet and your issue should be fixed.